Have you ever woken up in the morning and everything seemed blurry, like there was a layer of fog in front of your eyes? Many people think it's just natural aging. But actually, our eyes are still sending out SOS signals. We just don't hear them. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about fruits that, if eaten before bed, will help your eyes recover while you're dreaming, and in particular, there's a number one fruit that ophthalmologists call a silent hero. If you're interested in natural health, remember to subscribe to the channel, Journey to the Source of Health, like, share and leave a comment. I'll respond as soon as possible to motivate you to make videos every day. A 67-year-old man in Texas recounted that for many years, he did not realize that his eyesight was gradually deteriorating, until one evening, he read a book and realized that he could no longer see the lines clearly. From that moment, he was determined to find out the cause. And he discovered something that many people in the US and Europe do not know: the eyes are not properly nourished at night. When you sleep, the retina, which contains millions of photoreceptor cells, needs 4 times more oxygen and antioxidants than during the day. Without enough nutrients, these cells quietly die that we don't feel it right away. But after 5 to 10 years, the signs appear: blurred vision when driving at night, dry, sore eyes, difficulty reading small letters, glare in bright light, and it can all start with small habits before bed. What few people know is that there are fruits that contain extremely strong amounts of carotenoids, anthocyanins, and natural enzymes. When you eat them at the right time, these substances act as a night rescue team for your eyes. And the most surprising, some familiar fruits such as kiwi, watermelon, blueberry, have such great power that scientists call them sunglasses from the inside. Imagine you're in New Zealand, where the golden kiwi fruit is considered a living vitamin. A study found that golden kiwi fruit contains nearly twice as much lutein and zeaxanthin as green kiwi fruit. The story: an elderly woman in Scotland ate 2 golden kiwi fruits every night. After 6 weeks, she noticed her eyes were less dry in the morning, she could read the newspaper more easily, and her glare in bright light was significantly reduced. Eating suggestion: 2 golden kiwi fruits about an hour before bed. Keep the membrane under the skin for extra antioxidants. The eyes are small organs, but they need a lot of water. Watermelon is more than 90% water, with lycopene, a substance that can protect the retina from blue light. There is a small study in Japan. A group of people who ate watermelon 30 minutes before bed showed less eye pain the next morning. Suggested intake: 1-2 cups. Do not eat with salt because it increases eye pressure. These blackberries are not popular in the US, but in Europe, they are considered a superfood for vision. Anthocyanin in black currants helps dilate the tiny blood vessels in the eyes, helping the eyes adjust to darkness better. A long-distance driver in Germany shared that after 2 months of using black currant extract, his night vision improved significantly. Suggested use: 50 mg anthocyanin extract taken at night, with a little vitamin C. Wild blueberries are small, dark-colored varieties that grow naturally in cold climates. Their antioxidant power is 2 to 3 times stronger than that of cultivated blueberries. Many experts call them food for the retina. Suggested serving: 1/3 cup 45 minutes before bed. Avoid milk lightly frozen to increase anthocyanin absorption. Betalains in red dragon fruit help increase nitric oxide, a substance that helps open blood vessels, nourishing the retina better while you sleep. Suggested eating: half a fruit. Chew the small seeds thoroughly to get omega-3 and magnesium. Eat 1 hour before bed. In China, the elderly often drink goji tea to maintain their eyesight. That a 90-day study showed that goji berries help increase macular pigment density in older adults. This is not a miracle drug, but it is a great gift for the eyes. How to use: 2 teaspoons soak in warm water for 10 minutes. Eat with a piece of dark chocolate greater than or equal to 85% cacao to increase absorption. You've been through 6 amazing fruits, but number 1 not only nourishes the retina, but also helps clear the cloudiness in the lens, a factor related to cataracts. That's why many doctors call it a natural filter for the eyes. Papaya provides vitamins A, C, E and folate, for building blocks for the eyes to regenerate cells during sleep. But the secret lies in papain, an enzyme that breaks down glycation, the sticky molecules that cause blurred vision. A 72-year-old woman in Michigan said that after 2 months of eating papaya every night, she felt her vision was clearer in the morning, especially when reading small print. Suggested meal: 1 cup ripe papaya 1 hour before bed. Do not eat with milk, add a little lemon juice to increase enzyme activity. Do not eat with calcium-rich foods. Wait 90 minutes. Add some healthy fat like walnuts to increase absorption. Do not wash too vigorously as this will remove the antioxidant coating. Eat at room temperature. Eat 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Imagine, one morning, you step outside, look at the trees, the sky, your loved ones, and everything becomes sharper than before. Just a small habit every night, but its impact can change the future of your eyes. If you want your eyes to be healthy into your 60s, 70s, and 80s, start tonight. And if you want me to continue bringing you natural health content, please subscribe to the channel, Wellness Roots Journey. Hit like, share with your friends, and leave a comment that I will reply as soon as possible, because you are the motivation for me to release new videos every day.